For most resources, I have typically variables, right? You get it? And that's how it's supposed to be, huh? Get it? Right? Well, it's nice. There's the whole part of the fun. And there's not talking the trick and sentence, and then it's happening. Give me ever, say. So it's gosh, okay.
The experience with distance learning during the COVID pandemic made it possible to focus on several assessment-related issues. The need to use broader indicators is also linked to the demand for motivating and activating students in a more broad sense. FlIPPITY and its quiz function are the tools that enables formative assessment through game-based learning. The FlIPPITY site offers a range of ready-made educational activities like flashcards, quizzes, Wheel of Fortune, memory games, crossword puzzles, hangman, bingo, team tournament boards, and so on. Using these tools allows the teachers to understand the learning status of students through active involvement and to take corrective measures if learning difficulties emerge.